Morning everyone. In today's session, we are going to see on the hydraulic system. What is meant by hydraulic system, configuration device, how it works, what is hydraulic system. It is a system that uses fluid energy made by compressing hydraulic oil to generate power and control machines and devices such as the hydraulic cylinder, hydraulic motors. It is characterized by the use of pressurized oil as its working fluid. It can amplify a small force by dozens of times and turn into a greater force depending on the use and the application method of its force. Heavy equipment including accelerator, crane, trucks and typical machines that can use the hydraulic system. Using the hydraulic system helps lifting up or move the load easily and safely, which can be controlled precisely as well. Let's go through the unit consisting of the hydraulic system. The hydraulic system can largely be divided into three parts: a hydraulic generator, a hydraulic controller and a hydraulic drive unit. Let's delve deep into the hydraulic generator. Hydraulic generator comprises of oil tank, electric motor and hydraulic pump. An oil tank is a storage tank where the hydraulic oil is kept. This tank is not only stores oil but also cools off the high temperature hydraulic oil that generate heat dissipated and removes the air bubbles and foreign matter generated during the circulations. An electric motor is a device required to operate a hydraulic pump. Connected to the hydraulic pump, it delivers mechanical energy to it. A hydraulic pump is what converts the mechanical energy supplied by the electrical motor into the fluid energy through hydraulic oil. A small vacuum is generated at the pump inlet to soak upon the hydraulic oil from the oil tank, while generating high pressure oil goes into the rotational motion to the internal component. With this, we will go to the hydraulic controller. The hydraulic controller is where the direct speed takes place and the pressure of the oil generated from the pump is being controlled before it reaches the cylinder. It controls the relief valve, direction control valve and flow control valve. The relief valve adjusts the pressure of the fluid generated by the pump to the set value. The direction control valve adjusts the flow direction of the fluid to change the operational direction of the actuators. The flow control valve regulates the flow rate supplied to the motor to adjust the operating speed. Last but not least, let's see the hydraulic drive unit. The hydraulic drive unit converts the fluid energy into the mechanical energy. This section is where the actual operating takes place through the high pressure oil. The hydraulic cylinder and the hydraulic motor can be found here as a driving unit. Among them, the hydraulic cylinder, which is most commonly used, carries out the various tasks such as pushing, pulling and moving objects. A circuit diagram. First, the hydraulic pump soaks up the hydraulic oil inside the oil tank. At this point, an electric motor connected to the hydraulic pump continuously transfers mechanical energy to the pump through reciprocating motion. This is what causes the internal gear of the hydraulic pump to perform rotational motion, producing high pressure oil. This is where the mechanical energy turns into fluid energy. Then the high pressure oil moves to the pressure or direction control valve. Through pressure control valve and it is being controlled, and the high pressure fluid is sent through the flow control valve into the actuator. Reciprocating or linear motion, or it can be of rotational motion as well. That the fluid energy is converted back into mechanical energy. The hydraulic oil that has been complete in this process will return to the tank through the valve. The hydraulic oil in the tank is being soaked up by the hydraulic pump to become a high pressure oil. The process is repeated to allow the actuator to operate repeatedly. This is how we generate and control the large mechanical energy with only a small amount of force through a system process using hydraulic oil.